Show me your pipeline. That's what my coach said to me. 2 months into building my agency, 0 clients. And I said, what's a pipeline? It was dead silent. He goes, how many people have you actually talked to and told them your offer? And I'm sitting there realizing it's been maybe 5 people. I had Go High Level set up. I had my services ready. I had a whole offer. I just had nobody to sell it to. And that is what nobody in the agency space talks about. Not the tech, not the niche, not whether you should cold call or not, the pipeline. Stay with me because I'm gonna show you exactly what I did to fix it, how I landed my first couple clients, and how you can do it too. And here's what most agency YouTube videos won't tell you. They're gonna give you a cold calling script, a DM template, a niche list, a prospecting tool, and nothing's wrong with that. But none of that matters if you don't have a pipeline. So what's a pipeline? It's not a CRM. It's not a spreadsheet. It's the answer to one question. How many real people did I actually reach out to? How did that conversation go or not go? When am I going to follow up with them again? That's it. That's the whole thing. And when my coach asked me that question, I had been doing what most of you are probably doing right now. I was learning. I was setting things up. I was watching videos, maybe videos like this one. And I was telling myself that I counted that as progress, but it doesn't. It's not. Progress is a conversation. Progress is saying your price out loud to a real human being and letting them respond. Everything else is just preparation. So here's the thing about cold calling. I want to be real with you guys about this. It works. I'm not going to sit here and tell you cold calling is dead. But for most people who are brand new, it is the hardest possible way to start. Because when you're walking in with 0 trust, 0 proof, and 0 relationship, you're asking a stranger to take a chance on someone they've never heard of. What I'm about to show you works differently. It works because it starts with trust. And trust, more than any script and any tool, any niche, is what actually does deals. Now, before I get into the 2 and maybe a bonus strategy that I want to give you guys, I want to give you the framework my coach gave me, because this is the thing nobody talks about out loud. He told me, tell 20 qualified people your price. Don't even expect them to say yes. Just get comfortable saying it out loud. Not close them, not pitch them, not run them through the whole funnel. Just tell them what you do and tell them your price to 20 real people. That single instruction broke me out of the freeze that I've been stuck in for 2 months. Because here's what happens when you don't have a pipeline. You don't fail because your offer is bad. You don't fail because your price is wrong. You fail because you're waiting. You built something and you're waiting for someone to notice. Nobody's coming. You have to go fill that pipeline yourself. So here's how I did it without cold calling one person. The persistence play. Your warm network isn't tapped, it's untimed. Now I know what you're thinking. Here we go, another warm network kind of thing. Now I've heard this before, I tried it, it didn't work. I said the same thing and I was wrong. But here's the mistake. Most people go through their contacts once, send a message, get no response, they move on. That's not the warm network strategy. That's just giving up with extra steps. The warm network doesn't deliver on the first ask, it delivers on the 4th. I asked my sister the same question for weeks. Who do you know that owns a local business? She'd think about it. A couple people came up and then I checked them out. They weren't a good fit. 2 weeks later, I'd ask again. Still nothing real. I almost stopped until I had the conversation with my coach and he's like, you got to start telling people your price. So I needed to actually say, okay, I got to get some clients. So I went to my sister again. I'm like, girl, who do you know? I got to get some clients. And then she was like, oh, hey, did you think about this, girl? I'm like, oh my gosh, yes. So I reached out to her. I have a conversation with her. I went on Facebook messaging her saying, hey, what are you doing for your marketing? And she said, actually nothing, let's talk. So we had a phone conversation. And in that conversation is where I told her my price and we sealed the deal. I sent her a text with the invoice, she paid it and we got started and I had my first paying client just like that. That connection became a $297 a month client. And in 3 months with us just working together, she went from 13 Google reviews to over 100. She was on the 2nd page of Google and now she's in position 4, almost at the map pack. None of that happens if I quit asking after round 1. So here's a tactical piece. And this is what turns warm network from vague advice into an actual pipeline. So pick 5 to 10 people in your life who are well connected. Friends, siblings, former coworkers, church members, even people you don't even think are well connected. But keep them updated on what you're doing and building. So when you ask in who do they know, you're staying top of mind because they know that this is what you do and you're trying to find business owners that you can help or that needs your help. That's it. You're planting a seed and you water it until it grows. But here's the lesson inside the lesson, and this almost cost me a client. So after my first client came in, I went back to my warm network targeting HVAC contractors for voice AI, missed calls, the whole pitch, you know the deal. Nobody bit. and I couldn't figure out why. So I actually talked to an HVAC contractor and he wanted it, but this was the time where it was not the season. So he was like, I really like it, but it's not my busy season now. And that's when I realized you have to feel the pain if you want to buy something from somebody. If the phones aren't ringing, they're not missing calls, they don't need voice AI. So the pain wasn't real to them right then. And this is one of the biggest pipeline killers nobody talks about. You can have the right offer, the right network, and the right timing in your life. But if your prospect isn't feeling the pain right now, they won't buy. So I pivoted. I asked myself, who takes calls year round and can actually afford a service like this? And lawyers came up. Same network, same offer, different question. So I asked my warm network, hey, does anybody know a lawyer? I want to ask them something. And the person that I least expected said, hey, I just got off the phone with one. My son plays football with his son. And that call turned into a $497 a month client. So that's why I want to say, before you go and judge people into thinking that they might not know somebody like that, you ask anyway. I never would have guessed that this guy knew a lawyer, but you have to ask anyway. And that was a big lesson to me. I need to stop assuming that I know everything and who knows who, because you just don't know. So this is the pipeline lesson. It's not just about filling it. It's about filling it with the right people who are feeling the pain right now. So after this next one, I'm going to show you this strategy that landed someone in the community 4 clients in 1 month without cold calling or ads. But strategy number 2 made me the most uncomfortable, but it paid off. And I am not a natural networker. You know, walking into a room full of strangers, making small talk, trying to casually mention I run a marketing agency is not the most comfortable thing in the world. I'd much rather be behind a laptop. But my coach kept pushing me. He said, get in front of people, whether they buy or not, just get comfortable saying your offer out loud. So I went to a Chamber of Commerce event in my town, a pickleball event actually. And I played against this older guy and he absolutely destroyed me. But we talked after and he told me that he owned an excavating company. I told him that I ran a marketing agency and he said he had a guy, but he wasn't happy with him. He wasn't getting the results that he wanted and he couldn't even get him on the phone sometimes. So he told me to just look at his website and let me know what he thought. And so I did that. We stayed in touch for over a month. We were kind of just talking back and forth and he became another paying client of $497 a month for his website, reputation management, and voice AI. One-time setup, runs on autopilot. And the crazy thing is I just built his website this month in high level and Claude helped me write his entire SEO optimized website, everything. And he calls me the other day and says, your website thing must be really working because someone from Florida, he's in Indiana, just called me and said they found my website and they're looking for a job to be done that's worth $30,000 to $40,000. It's a demolition job. So I am well worth his investment. And here's what in-person networking actually is, guys, because most people misunderstand it. It's not about closing in the room. It's about becoming the person they already know when they're finally ready to buy. That excavator was not ready that night we played pickleball, but because we've been face-to-face, had a real conversation, and I followed up consistently, I was already warm when he was ready to make a move. Chamber of Commerce events are a great place to start because they are almost in like every single city and they're filled with business owners. That's what it is. And they want to grow. Most of your competition is behind the laptop waiting for leads to come to them. You walk into a room is already a competitive advantage. And here's a pipeline connection. Every in-person event you attend is 10 to 20 potential conversations. That's 10 to 20 seeds you can plant in a single night. Most people never think about it that way. They think about whether they're going to close a deal that evening. That's the wrong question. The right question is, how many conversations can I start tonight that I can follow up with next week? That's pipeline thinking, and that's what changes everything. So let me bring this all the way back to where we started. So my coach asked me to show him my pipeline. I didn't have one, and the reason I didn't have one had nothing to do with cold calling. It had nothing to do with my offer or whether I had the tech set up right. It was simpler and harder than any of that. I was waiting. I kept myself busy with everything that felt like building a business without doing the one thing that actually builds a business. And that's having conversations with people and telling them my price. 2 months, 0 clients. And I almost walked away. Then I stopped waiting. I started asking my sister. I went to a pickleball event. I kept following up when most people would have let it go. Real recurring revenue is good. Is it easy? No. Now let me show you how this woman got 4 clients in 1 month. So the way she did, I love telling the story because it's so real. Week 1, she reached out to a landscaper in her area, found him on Google, noticed he had no reviews, and offered to help him get more. That's client 1. Week 2, her house flooded. The contractor came to fix it, only had 2 Google reviews. So while he was literally in her house, she showed him what she does. He skipped a free trial and signed up on the spot. She turned a flooded house into a paying client. Week 3, she saw a mobile detailer's van outside her neighbor's house. She looked him up on Google, no website, 8 reviews. She walked over, introduced herself, gave him some free advice. He asked her to build his website and manage his Google profile. Week 4, the cleaning lady who cleans her home. No website, no Google profile. She built her a website while the woman was still cleaning her house. When she saw it, she asked what she normally charges her clients and she signed up. She made $1,088 a month in recurring revenue. No ads, no social media posting, just being strategic and having an offer that people actually wanted. And here's what I want you to notice. Every single one of those clients came from just paying attention. She didn't sit at a computer blasting cold emails. She looked at the world around her and asked, does this person have a website? Do they have reviews? Can I help them? That's the whole strategy. The people who get clients fast aren't the ones with the slickest pitch or the biggest following. They're the ones who keep showing up when nothing seems to be working. What you put in is what you get out, but there is only so much that you can do with a warm network. So what else can you do? I have another strategy that I'm working on that does not include cold calling, and I'm putting inside my community first before I expose it here. But I don't think it takes 2 months to get your first client. If I knew what I knew now, it wouldn't have taken that long. And that's why I created the 30-day sprint. It's a free program for those in my community designed to help you land your first paying client in 30 days or less using Go High Level. So your offer, your outreach, your pipeline, your tech, and a community of people doing it alongside you is all that it includes. And bi-weekly coaching from me and weekly coaching from my 7-figure coach. And I give access to this to everyone who signs up with my affiliate link with High Level. You get a 30-day free trial. So that's why I do a 30-day sprint, because I want you to be able to have your clients pay for the actual system that's run on High Level to run your agency. And so you get a free 30-day free trial with High Level if you sign up with my link, and you automatically get a link to my community with the 30-day sprint. Now, if you already do have High Level, I do have something for you guys in the description below if you still want to take my 30-day sprint. But I'm doing this because I'm doing this publicly and I want to share with people how this actually works. It's not as easy as people make it seem, but it's working and it's doable, and it's all about just having a strategy and having a pipeline. So if you guys want to see actually what I'm doing with my $497 offer and what that includes, you guys can watch this video here. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy to answer.